version A. Okay, we will try the question here. Add two expression as you see. If you see here, this is the sign is positive. For to add two expression, no need to change anything. Just write here 5x squared plus 7x minus 3 plus, okay, 2x squared minus 9x plus 4.
السلام عليكم أستاذ.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. Just here,
أستاذ
yes,
أستاذ أنا
yes,
أقول لك طرش المراجعة اللي نذاكر منها أستاذ.
okay. إن شاء الله راح طرشهم كلهم بإذن الله بنهاية الفيديو.
أوكي مشكور.
Yeah, welcome. Just add the similar here, similar terms.
طرشهم على تليجرام أستاذ. أوكي
إن شاء الله.
مشكور.
Okay. Similar term 5x squared plus 2x squared. This is equals 7x squared. And also here 7x minus 9. Maybe some student you didn't understand how to find this. You can use calculator for this. It's easy. Just write 7 minus 9. What the answer? Negative. Just negative 2. Put it here x. That's it. It's easy. And also here, maybe change the, sorry, change the color. Maybe use other color here as you see. This is negative 3, positive 4 plus 1. If you didn't understand this, you can use calculator. Negative 3 plus 4. The answer is negative 1. That's it. Which one is right? This is the answer. This is the answer. Yes. Look here, the choice is 7x squared minus plus 1. This is A. The answer A. The question 2 here, multiply or multiplication. Two expression here, the same. This is x plus 6 times x minus 4. You can distribute. This is x times x squared. Okay, now x times negative 4 x. Also here 6 times x plus 6x. Also here 6 times negative 4 negative 24. The next step, add together the similar term. As you see here, negative 4 plus 6 equals 2x. Okay, this is no other similar term. Stay as it. Okay, this is the same. And also this is go down the same, x squared. This is positive here, don't forget it. Maybe someone doesn't understand to find negative 4x plus 6x. You can use calculator, it's easy. Just write the number, negative 4 plus 6, negative 4 plus 6, the answer is 2. That's it. Okay, which one is right here? As you see, x squared plus 2x minus A, also A, the answer. Let's move the next question. As you see here, question 3 and 4 and 5. Here, this is 3 questions. How to find to select the correct answer. This is quadratic identity formula. This is A plus B squared. This is equals A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. It's easy. Which one is right? A. Also here, this is x squared minus 25. This is equals x minus 5 times x plus 5. Because this is use this formula, a squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b. Here, how to find this? This is x squared minus 5 squared. 25 right as 5 to square, 5 to power 2. The same answer, okay? This is a also. But the question 5, factorize. How to factorize this expression? 3x squared plus 14x plus 8. You can use calculator. It's easy to use calculator here because a equals 3, b equals 14, c equals a. This is use calculator mode. 5, 3, a equals 3, b equals 14, c equals 8. Just use calculator. I will explain step by step by using calculator, then by using scissor method. Okay, mode 5-3, mode 5-3, A3, okay, B14, then and C8. Okay, the answer is x equals negative 2 over 3, and the second answer is negative 4. X equals negative 4. How to write as a factor, multiply factoring, or factors as you see here. This is 3 times x, then move to the other side. This is equals 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2, and this is move to other side, change the sign, x plus 4. The answer is 3x plus 2 times x plus 4. Which one is right? Also A. Okay. Let's move the next question. As you see here, question 6 to 9. Question 6. Yes. This is a question 6. I will paste here. And the other choice question here to 9. Yes. Yes. All these together. Yes. Okay. Question 6. Identify vertex. Vertex, we have formula to find vertex. X equals negative b over 2a. Okay, good. This is the formula, but we don't need this formula. Maybe need in the other question, but everything is ready here. Just change this sign. 3, 5. This is stay as it. Don't change, but change in the brackets. Change the sign in the bracket. 3, 5. Which one? 3, 5? A. It's easy. Minimum. A minimum of y occur at. It's easy here. Use calculator here to select this answer. Just write. Shift 9. Clear your calculator. Shift 9, 3. Double equal. Okay, now you can write this equation in your calculator. As you see, I will show you step by step how to write. X squared, okay, minus 8x plus 12. Then you can calc all these points, then determine which one is smallest or minimum, okay, as the question. Calc x equals 4, or the answer negative 4. Calc 2, the answer 0. Calc negative 4, the answer 60. Calc -2, the answer 32. Which one is the smallest? The first one. Because here, yes, because this is the answer y. Here y equals -4, but here y equals 0, but here y equals, I think, 60. Sorry, 60. And the last one, y equals 32, I think. Yes. Which one? Minimum, this minimum. This is minimum. Okay. Question 8. How to solve this equation? X squared. Yes. Question 8, as you see, x squared equals 9. How to solve this equation? To solve this equation, it's easy. Just move this to other side. X squared, or no need like this. Maybe like this, or x squared minus 9 equals 0. This is equals x minus 3 times x plus 3 equals 0. Then we have to answer x equals 3 and x equals -3. The answer is A. Okay, it's easy. Maybe you can use another method. Use calculator. Mod 5, 3. A equals 1. Here 1, as you see. But B, we don't have x. We don't have x. B 0. And C equals -9. I will show you how to solve this equation by using calculator, because this question comes as multiple choices. You can use calculator. It's easy to find this directly. Mod 5, 3, A equals 1, B equals 0, C equals -9. The answer is 3 and -3, the same answer. That's it. Okay, let's move the next question. Solve equation, this x squared plus 5x. Also, you can use calculator or use hand. It's easy to solve this by calculator. I think I will solve in the two methods. This equation, x squared plus 5x equals 0. You can take x as a common factor. X as a common factor. This is x. Now this is x plus 5 equals 0. Now we can find x equals 0 or x equals -5. Just change the sign. Or you can use calculator here also, or mod 5, 3, A equals 1, B equals 5, but we don't have constant. C equals 0. You can use calculator as you see, mod 5, 3, A1, B5, but C 0. The answer x equals -9 and x equals 0, the same answer. X equals 0 and x equals -5. Which choice is right? The first one. Okay, let's move the next question. I think here, how many students in this meeting? No, just Mubarak. Mubarak Muhammad. Yes. Okay, good. I think here, the question from 10 to 13, maybe to 12. Question, multiple choice also. This is 3 question. I will try to explain step by step how to solve it by using calculator or by hand. Okay, solve this equation, and also the same, you can use calculator to find this. Also here, calculator. Mod 5, 3. Mod 5, 3. This is A equals 1, B equals -6, C equals 8. If you use calculator, mod 5, 3, the A equals 1, B -6, C8. The answer is 4 and 2. Yes, x equals 4 and x equals 2. This is the answer. Or you can use scissor method. How to solve by scissor method? X squared negative 6x plus 8 equals 0. You can factorize the first term. This is equals x times x. The last term, 4, I can write 4 times 2. But we have here negative. This is negative, negative. Okay, that's it. We can write this x minus 4, x minus 2 equals 0. Then the answer equals x equals 4 or x equals 2. That's it, the same answer. The answer is A. Be careful about it. Okay, question 11. Discriminant. What does mean that? Discriminant, here the choices negative, 0, positive, cannot determine. Okay, I will try to solve this question. Question 11. Discriminant, this is delta equals b squared minus 4 times a times c. Okay, this is a1, a, this is b, this is c. A here 1. Okay, just substitute b 2 square minus 4, a1, but c 5. Okay, that's it. This is equals 4 minus 20. This is equals, because negative 4 times 5, 20. The answer is negative 16. Is negative. The answer. This is discriminant. Is negative. Question 12. How to solve this system? Y equals x squared and y equals 4. It's easy to solve this system because we have two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. How to solve this system? Just substitute y equals 4 in the equation 1. Okay, that means 4 equals x squared. That means this is moved to other side. X squared minus 4 equals 0. You can use calculator here, mod 5-3 also. Mod 5-3. A here equals 1. B equals 0 because we don't have x here in this equation. And C equals 4. Or you can use factorizing. This is the another method. X minus 2 times x plus 2 equals 0. We have two solutions. X equals 2 or x equals negative 2. Just change the sign. Okay, the answer A. But using calculator also, I will show you how to use calculator for this question. Mod 5-3. A equals 1, B 0, C equals negative 4. The answer is 2 and negative 2. It's easy. Okay, let's move the next slide. Okay, question from 13 to, I think, question 13. Simplify. Okay. Question 13, as you see here. Okay. Question 13. Sorry. This is the choices. These are choices, sorry. Okay. As you see, yes. And the question 14 to 16. 14 to 16, we have here many questions. Put it together here, yes. Yes. Okay. As you see here, simplify x to power 4 times x to power 6. Just add the exponent. Exponent here 4 plus 6. This is equals x. 4 plus 6. This is equals x to power 10. That's it. It's easy. The answer is A. But here, x to power, this is divided. X to power 8 over x to power 3. Yes, just this is go up minus. This is equals x to power 8 times x to power negative 3. Why? Because go up, change the sign of exponent of the power. Okay, now it's easy now. X equals 8 minus 5, minus 3, sorry, minus 3. Yes, here 3. Be careful about this. The answer is x to power 5. X to power 5. Which one is right? Is A. Simplify here. How to simplify? This is equals a question 15, x to power negative 4. I can write this is to make this positive. This is I can write 1 go down. This is x to power 4. Yes, change the sign. The answer is also A. Okay. Question 16. This is okay, radical. How to write as exponential form. كيف يمكن التحويل من الصيغة الجذرية إلى الصيغة الأسية. يعني نكتب على شكل أس. الداخل على الخارج. بس هي القاعدة. الداخل هنا الباور 5 والخارج الباور 3. الاندكس مال الجذر. It's easy. This is external or sorry internal over external. This is equals x. This is x internal over external. Okay, this is the formula. That means x equals okay internal 5 but external 3. Then x to power 5 over 3. The answer A. Be careful about this. I will give you additional example. For this, radical to power 3x squared. How to write in exponential form? This is equals x internal, okay, internal first 2. This is external 3. That's it. Another example, f to power 4 x to power 3. Okay, this is equals x, which internal 3, external 4. That's it. It's easy. Okay, let's move the next question. Question 17 to 20. Yes, 17 to 20. I will take copy for them to solve together in this slide. Okay, be careful about this. As you see here, question, I think 20. This is the question 20, as you see. Yes. Yes, here. Yes. Question 17, multiply. How to multiply radical together, as you see here. 3 times 2, 6. Okay. Radical 3, radical 5 times radical 3. You can write as this 6 radical 5 times 3. This is equals 6 radical 5 times 3, 15. This is the answer. Which one is right? A. It's easy. Be careful about to use properties of square root. Okay, question 18. How to solve this? This is exponential equation. 4 to power x equals 64. Now I will look for two number the same base. 4, how to write? This is x 46. You can use calculator. 46 or 64, sorry. 4 to power 1, 4. 4 to power 2, sorry. Clear your calculator as you see here. Okay, 4 to power 1, 4. 4 to power 2, 16. No, I can change this one. 2 power 3, 64. This is equals 2 power 3. The same base here 4 and the base here 4. That means the power equals the power, or exponent equals the exponent. That's it. That means x equals 3. This is the answer. The answer is also A. In the same way, solve this equation, exponential equation. 9 to power x equals 3. How to write this? Maybe here I cannot write. This is to power 1, the same. But here I can write x 9, sorry, 3 to power 2, all view to power x equals 3 to power 1 or 3. Okay, good. Now, maybe here power to power, you should multiply the two powers. Okay, this is a 3 to power 2x equals 3 to power 1. Now the same base, this is the same base. That means 2x equals 1. Now divided both sides by 2, then x equals half. This is the answer. Which one is right? Yes, A. Okay, the last question in multiple choices question, MCQs. Here also we have, I think, in this equation, solve this exponential equation, sorry. 2 to power 3x equals 16. How to write 16 as a exponential form? This is equals 2 to power 4. You can check in your calculator. 2 to power 4 equals 16, the same. Now I can write, because the base are equal, then the power also are equal. We can write here 3x equals 4. Then I think to divide it both sides by 3 to get the answer. Okay, x equals 4 over 3. This is the answer. It's easy. Which one is right? Also A. Now let's move the next part from the exam. Free response question by hand. Okay. I think move to the next question, section B. Section B, we have 5 questions. Okay, question 21. Question 21, this is the steps you should write by hand, not multiple choice. Be careful about this question. How factor completely? Factor completely, I can factor the first term and the last term. 6x squared, I can write 3x times 2x. And 15, this is equals 5 times 3. Okay. Okay, if you cross 15 plus 6x equals 21, not 19. Okay. maybe swap between 5 and 3 to get the answer. This is put 5 here and put 3 here. Why? Because if you times 3x times 3, 9x, 9x. If you times 2x times 5, 10x. If add together to get it 19x, the middle term. We can write this factorize as 3x plus 5 times 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. This is the answer. But how to find this by using calculator? I will show you. You can use mod 5, 3. Okay. A equals 6, B equals 19, and C equals 15. Okay, let's move to calculator here. As you see, mod 5, 3. Okay, A equals 6, B, sorry. Okay, see, A equals 6, B equals 19, and C equals 15. To get the answer, so here as you see, x equals negative 3 over 2. And the other question, x equals negative 5 over 3. How to solve this equation? Okay, how to write this? Just move to other side and multiply by 2. And here multiply by 3 and move to the other side. This is, I think, x, 2x plus 3. This is becomes 3x plus 5. Okay, the same answer. The same answer, 3x plus 5, 2x, the same answer. You can use calculator, but be careful about this. If you get it fraction, you write as I taught you. Okay, let me to move the next slide. I think here in question 22, as you see here, question 22. How to solve this equation? I think in this equation, find the vertex. How to find the vertex? You should use the formula x equals negative b over 2a. But how to determine b and a? This is a 1, b negative 10. That's it. This is x equals negative 10 over 2a. Yes, this is equals 10 over 2. The answer equals 5. This is y. This is x. X for vertex. How to find y? Just substitute in your calculator. You can use calculator. Write the equation as you see here. Clear your calculator, shift 9, 3. Okay, write this equation, x squared. Okay, minus 10x. Okay, plus 7. Then calc 5. Calc 5. 5. The answer is negative 18. Then the vertex, coordinate of the vertex, x equals 5, but y negative 18. That's it. To get it full mark for the question. The question, find vertex. First step, you should find what? X. How to find x? By using this formula. How to determine a and b? From the equation given in the question. Then y, how to find y? By using calculator. How to using calculator? That's it. Write the equation x squared minus 10x plus 7. Then calc 5. The answer equals negative 18. That's it. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question 23. Question 23. How to solve question 23? How to solve this equation? By using quadratic formula. By using quadratic formula, it's easy. This is a question, I think, quadratic formula using, this is step 1, step 2, and step 3. Step 1, determine what is the value of A and B and C. This is A equals 2 and B equals -5 and C equals -3. Then step 1, determine what the discriminant value. Discriminant equals B squared minus 4 times A times C. B equals -5. This is B. Square -4. This is -4. What is the value of A? 2 times C, -3. Okay, now this is 25 plus, I think, negative times negative, positive. 2 times 3, 6 times 4, 24. The answer equals 49. Okay. This is step 2. Okay, x1 equals -b plus radical delta over 2a. Just substitute in this formula. -b, -5 plus radical 49, because delta equals 49, over 2a, 2 times 2. The answer is 5, negative, positive, plus radical 49, 7, over 4. This is equals 3, because 5 plus 7, 12, 12 over 4, 3. Step 3, x2 in the same way, the same, -b, negative radical discriminant or delta over 2a equals, in the same way, -5, negative radical 49 over 2a, 2 times 2. This is equals 5 minus 7 over 4. The answer is, I think, the answer is -5 minus 7, -2 over 4. This is equals -half. You can check your answer by using calculator. How to use calculator to solve this equation? Just mod 5, 3. A equals 2, B equals -5, C equals -3. The answer x equals 3. Yes, the same answer 3. And -half, the same answer. Okay, excellent. Let's move the next question. Question 24 and 25. Question 24 and 25, I will put it in the same slide here. This is 20, okay. Yes, this is okay. Put it here. And yes, separate between them. Okay, let's start to solve this. Radical here, square root 75 minus 2 radical 12. Okay, it's easy to solve this equation if the student think how to write 75 and how to write 12. 75, I can writing 75 as 25 times 3 minus, but the 12, I can write 12 4 times 3. Good. Okay, now this is radical 25 times radical 3 minus 2 radical 4 times radical 3. Okay, good. This is equals 5. This is 5 radical 3 minus 2. What is the answer? Radical 2 times 2. 2 times 2 radical 3. Okay, 5 radical 3, 2 times 2 minus 4. Minus 4 radical 3. 5 minus 4, 1. The question is radical 3, yani 1 radical 3. That's it. You can use calculator also to find this. If you didn't understand this, maybe you can use calculator to find this. It's easy. I think I will show you step by step how to write this. I think, yes. Clear your calculator, shift 9, 3, double equal. Okay, you can write the question here. 75 to check the right answer. Minus 2 radical 12. Yes, square root 12 was the answer. Radical 3, the same answer. Okay, but the question comes as a step. You should step by step to get the answer, but you can check the right answer by using calculator. Also here, how to solve this is exponential function. This is 5 to power x plus 1 equals 125. How to think? How to solve this question? I think you should write 125 in exponential form. Maybe this is equals 5 to power. To power what? I don't know. But I can try by using calculator. How to think this by using calculator? I will show you step by step after cleaning your calculator here. 125, I can write 5 to power 2, no, 25. To power 3, yes, to power 3, exactly. To power 3. Now look here. This is 5, the base 5, and also the base 5. That means the powers are equal. That means x plus 1 equals 3. It's easy now to solve this equation. Just move the 1 to the other side, but don't forget it to change the sign. X equals 3 minus 1, then x equals 2. This is the final answer. Okay, well done. Well done. Thank you for listening to the lesson and participate in the lesson. I think most of you not coming for the meeting, but you can see this video later, okay, in your free time. Thank you. If you have any question, I am ready to answer you. Any question about the meeting? Any question? I think no.
No, thank you, Mr.
Yeah, welcome. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Just one student inside the class. Okay.